The P0420 diagnostic trouble code is one of the most common emissions-related codes in Chevrolet vehicles. This code indicates that your catalytic converter's efficiency has dropped below the EPA's required threshold. The P0420 code specifically affects Bank 1 of your engine. Bank 1 is the side of the engine that contains cylinder number 1. Understanding this helps pinpoint which catalytic converter needs attention. The catalytic converter is a critical emissions control device that reduces harmful pollutants in your exhaust. When it fails to meet efficiency standards, the P0420 code is triggered. There are 4 primary causes of P0420 codes. A faulty catalytic converter accounts for 45% of cases, making it the most common cause. Oxygen sensor issues represent 30% of cases. Engine performance problems, such as rich or lean fuel mixtures, account for 20% of cases. The remaining 5% includes factors like PCM software issues, wiring problems, and fuel quality concerns. Newer Chevrolet vehicles are more sensitive to catalytic converter efficiency due to stricter EPA emission standards. This means the P04T code may trigger at higher efficiency levels than in older vehicles. Proper diagnosis of the P0420 code follows a systematic 5-step process that can save you hundreds or even thousands of dollars in unnecessary repairs. Step 1. Verify the P42 code and check for any related diagnostic trouble codes. Multiple codes often point to the root cause and help prioritize your diagnostic approach. Step 2. Perform a visual inspection of the entire exhaust system. Look for leaks, damage, or corrosion that could affect catalyst efficiency or create false readings. Step 3. Test oxygen sensor functionality using an oscilloscope. Monitor voltage patterns from both upstream and downstream sensors to verify proper operation and response times. Step 4. Perform a catalyst efficiency test by comparing oxygen sensor readings before and after the converter. A healthy catalyst shows significant differences between upstream and downstream readings. Step 5. Check engine performance, including fuel trim values and ignition timing. Poor engine performance often causes catalyst efficiency problems and must be addressed first. Proper diagnostics can save significant money. For example, a contaminated oxygen sensor costs only $450 to replace, compared to $1,800 for an unnecessary catalytic converter replacement. Other common issues that can trigger P0420 codes include carbon buildup on intake valves and faulty ignition coils. Addressing these upstream problems prevents expensive catalytic converter damage and saves money long term.